welcome back to my videos. I'm cooking some curry chicken here. Okay, how is it going so far? God has been good to us. Alright, so I have my pot here. I'm going to put a little curry in it. I turn on my fire because it can set off the alarm. Just a little, not much, because I may put a little browning in there. You see, guys? Put it on the pan. And I have my chicken here all seasoned. All seasoned. You see, guys? This one is not cut. I'm going to cut this one and put it back. Oh, it's cut. Can you see? This is just a short video. My chicken was all seasoned already. Didn't get to show you on camera. But I'm just currying my chicken now. Okay? So you're going to stay there and brown. Give it a little color, like a brownish and a little yellowish color. Okay? So this is just a curry chicken. Okay? And then I'm going to put some Irish in it. So watch the process as I go. This is my Sunday dinner. Alright, guys? Alright. Thank you for subscribing again. Thank you for telling a friend to tell another friend. Make a comment on my curry chicken. Alright? Okay, and I put just seasoning salt, Maggi seasoning salt, a little ginger, my curry, and a little black pepper. No, not black pepper. Slap your mama. Okay, nothing much. Alright, so you're going to stay there and cook. You can see, guys, getting its color now. So I'm going to put a little water in it. Okay, so I have some warm water here. I'm just going to put it. Stay there. I'm going to take me maybe a half an hour to cook. Okay, so watch the process as I get my season ready. This one is a quick pot, guys, quick pot. So my chicken there cooking. I have some coconut milk here. So I put it in my curry chicken. It may look a little bit white, but that's okay. Can take its time. Okay, so watch the process. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. And I'm going to put some Irish in it. Okay, let's watch the process. Watch as I cook my curry chicken with coconut milk. Guys, this is my Irish potato. Okay, I'm gonna get my seasoning ready. That's a short video. I'm sure I'm cooking my that's my season, guys. In the next 5 minutes I will finish. Quick video today. Not a long video, I'm just showing you some. I'm going to make some more water in it. Okay, my viewers and my subscribers, this is my finished curry chicken, right? You can see an Irish potato. Not a long video today, just a short video. So I must say again, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for telling a friend to tell another friend. Thank you for all the comments. You can see there's a lot of gravy there. Thank you very much. Blessing upon your life. See you in my next video. Okay? Alright, take care.